The government has reaffirmed the first quarter of 2022 as the date for taking the final investment decision for the proposed 60,000 barrels per day oil refinery in Hoima district and possibly start its construction in 2023.
On the part of the government, we had an obligation that was tagged around first oil, rather FID, final investment decision for upstream and ECOP happening in December last year. But within the contract, we had an arrangement where we could agree to adjust the time frames.
The Greenfield project got a shot in the arm late last month with a renewal of the $70 million performance bond as a show of commitment by the project developer, the Albert and Graben Refinery Consortium.
Performance bond was renewed because the initial contract term was 24 months, ending in August this year. And so that would have basically meant that the performance bond would not go beyond August, the term of the contract. So by renewing the term of the contract, we needed to renew the performance bond.
The FID for the $3 billion refinery project is, however, tied to that of the development of the oil fields and the proposed East African crude oil pipeline, which Molisa said they are fast-tracking jointly.
Because the structure of the arrangement, the commercialization arrangement, is such that the crude that is produced will give the refinery a first right of call on the crude to take its 60,000 barrels. So we must develop these projects close to each other so that when production starts, the refinery is almost ready.
The government in 2018 signed a project framework agreement for the refinery with the Albert and Graben Refinery Consortium, a special purpose vehicle comprising of Italy's Saipem and Novo Pinone International, and two Mauritius-based firms, Yatra Africa LLC and Lionworks Groups Limited. The refinery project will be financed through a public partnership arrangement with the investors taking 60% and government through the Uganda National Company taking 40%. Frederick Mosi, NTV.